Shrinkage is no joke, and today I'm going to stretch my coily hair. Yes, my hair is very textured. I have deep S patterns and coils, curls and coils. So I'm starting in the back so that I can section it and stretch it with sections. First, I stretch out my hair gently, stretching those curls, carefully not to stretch the end. Look at this shrinkage. That's crazy. But let's go in. I'm hovering my concentrator nozzle with the dryer over each section. In the middle part, I do not want to stretch out my slinkies. My slinkies are the coils on the very ends of my hair. So I'm sectioning my hair in rows, starting with the back and working my way up to the front. I love my kinky, curly, coily hair, but sometimes I want to see some length. And if you want to see some length sometimes as well, you can go in with your dryer with the concentrator nozzle and stretch those curls out a bit. Not a fully blow dried look, but we're stretching. And tomorrow's wash day, so I am good to go. And that very last section here, we're going to stretch that out as well. Ta-da! You have a stretched style. I happen to have color wax on my hair, so now I have color wax on my hands. Stretching with color wax on curly kinky hair. It can be done. I am proof.